May 2021 New product L10S. Full English packaging with CE/FCC RoHS certification. Open the package, the manual, charging cable, L11S selfie stick are included as standard. The longest stretch of the selfie stick is 70.4 centimeters, and it is only 15.2 centimeters after being folded and stored. It is compact and mini. Comes with a hidden tripod. You can use it as a mobile phone stand after opening. LED multi-color temperature fill light, 3-color temperature. Each color temperature can adjust 2 levels of brightness. LED fill light can be recharged and recycled. The phone holder can be rotated by 360 degrees and can be adjusted in multiple angles.